I'm Ace. Good to have you here. Let me ask you something. What tiny piece of your site could cover a month of hosting? A single table, a checklist, a compact CSV? Could any of those be a $7 product? Here's the deal. You don't need another course or a long launch. Today you'll get a practical 3-step playbook to find, package, and sell what I call breadcrumb products. Tiny, useful downloads that sell steadily with almost no upkeep. Why does this matter? Most long posts hide little repeatable bits, tables, checklists, tiny calculators. People copy those bits anyway, so why not sell the useful part? I once turned a buried table into a $7 CSV in 30 minutes, first sale in days. And that matters because small buys are low friction. A reader who already had intent is much more likely to click a $7 buy button than sign up for a webinar. Over time, these tiny purchases stack into predictable, low-maintenance revenue. Okay, first move, audit fast. Ready? Set a 5-minute timer. Open your top article and only look for repeatable pieces. Tables, step lists, little calculators, any data you could export. Ask yourself aloud, would this work on its own? If yes, mark it. Quick product worthiness checks, repeatability. Does a person use this more than once? Specificity. Is it narrowly focused and solves a clear job? Portability. Can it be a CSV, PDF, or tiny widget? Perceived value. Would someone pay $5 to $20 for it? Example, an affiliate comparison table I found in a long review. I cleaned the columns, exported a CSV, added a 1-page context note, and offered it for $7. Why did that work? People wanted to sort and filter offline. It took 30 minutes, and the first purchase came within a few days. Second move, productize light. Don't over-engineer. 3 packaging patterns cover most opportunities: downloadable tables and CSVs, embeddable micro-widgets, and printable checklists or templates. CSV and table packs are fastest. Clean the data. Add 1 short usage instruction. Include a sample row or screenshot. Price, roughly $5 to $15. Trust cues. A preview screenshot, a sample row, and a clear support note. Light widgets are next. Think niche converters or tiny calculators pulled out of a guide and hosted behind a simple URL. Show a 1-second demo GIF. Charge one time $7 to $25 for a hosted link, or more for a snippet buyers can embed. Printables and checklists work when the article includes a step-by-step method. Export a tidy PDF, add a quick start page, and show a complete example. Price around $5 to $12. People love ticking boxes. Make that tactile outcome obvious. Delivery shouldn't be your problem. Start with platforms that handle checkout and delivery. Gumroad, Buy Me a Coffee, or simple S3 links behind the paywall. Test downloads on desktop and mobile before you publish. Broken files ruin micro products fast. Distribution is simple if you keep it focused. Build a single faceless landing page whose job is to get intent-driven visitors to the buy button. Headline equals problem plus benefit. Short subhead. 1 screenshot or GIF. 2 quick bullets. 1 CTA. Link that page from the parent article in context of product as a time saver. If the parent article already ranks or gets steady traffic, expect a first sale in days to a few weeks. A single small product rarely replaces the main offer, but a dozen of them add up and create predictable income with low maintenance. Address common risks quickly. Low perceived value, add a 1-page context note or a tiny bonus. Technical friction, use platforms that handle delivery. Cannibalization, position breadcrumb products as entry-level or convenience add-ons. Now your 60 to 90 minute sprint. Step 1, 5-minute site audit. Pick 3 candidate fragments. Step 2, choose the easiest to ship. Export a CSV, make a 1-page PDF, or wrap a tiny widget. Step 3, build 1 faceless landing page with a single CTA and link it from the original article. Step 4. Test downloads. Add a preview screenshot, publish. Step 5. Check analytics and tweak the headline after a week. One small action to try right now. Open your most visited article. Find a buried table or checklist reader's copy. Export it, add a one-paragraph use note, and put a buy button on a single page. Check this out. Small moves like that compound. If this episode helped, subscribe so you don't miss future tactics and quick systems.
Then, this week, find one breadcrumb on your site and turn it into a $5 to $15 downloadable. Start small, ship fast.
I'm Ace. Well, that's enough to think about for today. Appreciate you spending a few minutes with me. I'll catch you in the next one.